If you think you can become profitable watching these ICT trading strategies on YouTube, you are wrong because 95% of them do not work. However, in this video right here, this is one of them 5% of videos which work so well. This is actually a part of the 1% because the win rate and the RR of the strategy is so incredibly high that almost every single day you can enter a trade and actually profit from it. So literally the strategy right here, if you haven't passed your funded challenge yet, or if you're not a profitable trader yet and looking for a strategy to actually take you to profitability, this is the strategy which you need right here. I've never taught this before on YouTube. However, right here, I'm here to teach you it right now because we've reached a major milestone in subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And literally, I'm going to go straight to this. A doctor spends 4 years in order to actually get the degree and to finally start getting paid £40,000 a year. And you're not willing to watch this video for 10 minutes long. And you're willing to click off this video in 2-3 minutes long just because social media short form content has taken over your brain and you're not willing to watch this video to the end, then there's no hope for you at all. Okay, a doctor spends 4 years and you're not willing to watch this video for 10 minutes to make more than a doctor. Shame on you. Click off this video right now, go to your straight job. However, if you want to watch this video to the end, stay here. Congratulations, you're going to become a profitable trader soon. So let's get straight into this. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to point out the basics of the strategy. Okay, so what's the basics for the strategy? The basics is we need to trade this on EURUSD, GBPUSD, and SPX 500. These are the most common ICT trading pairs, or we can also trade it on GBP, JPY, USD CAD. However, I do recommend these 3 major ICT pairs which you actually do trade. Another basic for the strategy is that we need to trade this on the 1 hour time frame and the 1 minute time frame only. The best part about the strategy is that it's mechanical, so if you lose a trade and you followed all the rules, okay, you followed all the rules and you lost the trade, okay? But if you lose a trade with a normal ICT trading strategy on YouTube, you're probably going to go on the 15-minute time frame or the 45-minute time frame. You're going to be like, no, I didn't see an imbalance here. No, I didn't see this liquidity here. No, with this strategy, mechanical, bang, go for it. Enter. If you lose, you lose. If you win, which is 80% of the time you win, then of course you're going to make a gain in the market. The next thing you need to know is that you're going to have a 5 pip minimum stop loss. The next thing you need to know is you need to know what order blocks and liquidity is, okay? And that's really it, okay? But the final thing you need to do is you need to trade this in a 1 hour time period. And this 1 hour time period always does the exact same thing. And this is from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. UK time. You might say, well, oh, this is too early in the night or too late in the night in my time. Well, if you're not willing to wake up 1 hour at the night time and someone else is, they're going to beat you and you're just going to stay there at home waking up in the morning and never going to become profitable. So make sure you wake up at this time because almost every single time it's going to teach you to take profit, okay? So 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And that's literally the most basic rules for the strategy. You don't have to do anything else. You just have to follow what I tell you right now and you're going to understand this. I'm going to show you 2 examples also in this video and 2 examples I will show you. Make sure you watch them to the end because if you don't watch the second one, then you're not going to understand this. The first one I'm going to show you, you also need to watch that. A thing which we do to increase our win rate by a lot is we add this indicator on our chart. I'm going to tell you how to get access to this indicator soon. As you can see, if it's a red line, it means we should enter sells. If it's a green line, it means we should enter buys, okay? And our take profit region is going to be the score on the line, right? So if it's a red line, it means we should enter sells. So we let market do whatever it wants. If it's a red line, this is based on the ICT daily power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, and then the red line strikes and then distribution. We enter off the distribution leg. It's not based off no RSI or anything, stock characteristic oscillator, no. It's based off real market movements, okay? So anyway, let market do whatever it wants before it and then check if the line ends up as green or it ends up as red. Okay, the line's red, right? So that means we should enter sells. And now we don't do anything until our trading time. In just 5 seconds every time. If you want me to pass your funded challenge for you, guaranteed another 30 days or you get your money back and what you paid for the funded challenge, link in the description below. It's very cheap. It's cheaper than any funded fast pass you've ever seen before. And literally also, we can also manage that account for you after passing the challenge, okay? So literally very cheap. If you miss out, you're going to have to pay a very extremely high price. So check the link in the description below, whether it's on offer or not. And we've passed so many challenges already. We've helped people actually get funded hundreds and thousands. We've passed $10 millions of funded challenges already. And join today, link in the description below. Stop gambling your funded accounts. Join us today for a 100% guaranteed pass, okay? So stop gambling. Join us today in order to actually pass your funded challenge guaranteed. The average person loses $9,000 before they actually get a payout from his funded challenges. So don't gamble like that. Join us today for a 100% guaranteed pass, okay? So anyway, if the line ends up as red, that means we should enter sells. Then wait for our trading time to hit, okay? And then as soon as our trading time hits, wait on the 1 hour time frame. As soon as the 1 hour time frame happens, the 1 hour candle, wait for it to take out a high, okay? This case, we take out a high because the line's red. That means we should enter sells. So wait for it to take out a high, okay? And that's literally our liquidity sweep. As soon as this happens, as soon as price takes out the high, the 1 hour candle takes out a high, go down to the lower time frame, wait for a bearish engulfment candle because we're looking for sales, right? If we're looking for buys, we're going to look for bullish engulfment candle and we're going to wait for a low to be taken. Wait for a bearish engulfment candle to happen. This is a bearish engulfment candle, as you can see. The candle before doesn't actually engulf the one after, so the candle after it actually eats the candle before it, and therefore engulfing it. This shows that there might be a displacement coming into the market, okay? That's why bearish engulfment candles are so special, okay? So I'm going to show you 2 examples right now, and this is what will fully help you understand the strategy, okay? So the first example is a very easy one, so make sure you watch this one, and then the second one to show you, make sure you watch that one carefully and to the end, okay? So we're getting that market do whatever it wants. Is the line green or is the line red? Okay, the line's red. That means we should enter sells in our trading time. So our trading time happens at 8 o'clock. Then we go down to the 1 hour time frame. There you go. Now let's wait for this candle. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. Price took out this high right here, this fractal high. Price took out this high right here. And there you go. That's all we need, okay? Then we go down to the 1 minute time frame. And then our trading times, again, as I did say before, it's from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. So let me just mark out 8 o'clock right here. Oh, 8 o'clock right over there, all the way till 9 o'clock right over here. And then throughout this time, we're going to wait for price to take out 1 hour high. And then as you can see, price take out this high right here, as I did mark out before, this one right there. As soon as this happens, wait for a bearish engulfment candle. Just be patient, wait for that to happen. There you go, bearish engulfment candle. And then we enter right here, minimum 5 pip stop loss, as I did say before. And then where we're going to target is we're going to target the golden line. The reason why I say minimum stop loss is because you don't want your stop loss to literally be like 3 pips and for spread to like absolutely take you out. And as you can see, this trade actually ends up running to take profit very nice and easily. As you can see, everything is followed through like I'm teaching you in this video, and you're going to make a lot of profit from it. As you can see, it taps straight into the take profit right over there. Now, time for the second example. This is one which will fool you out a lot, okay? So make sure you watch this one carefully into the end. But before I carry on, I do want to say, if you want to join the mentorship, it's $50 lifetime, and it will change your life. It's $50 a lifetime. You're willing to spend $50 on a night out with your friends, or in a restaurant, or on some shoes, and you're not willing to spend it on education right here, which is so valuable. The reason why it's $50 a lifetime is because I want to do funding opportunities with my personal capital in the future. It comes with so much in order to make you profitable. It's less than $2 a day for an entire month, and then you don't have to pay ever again. $50 lifetime. You've never seen a price this cheap ever, okay? So what comes with it is a premium indicator, not this one, but another one, which 90% of the time tells which direction London session is going to go. One-to-one support whenever you need, and also comes with live calls where I live trade right in front of you, so you can enter the same trades as me, and you can also learn something from the trades that I enter. And it is on offer $50 lifetime, and the price is increasing to $100 a month, and the mentorship is also closing very soon. So many people in the mentorship program have literally said, oh yeah, you should charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars for this mentorship, which is literally what I'm teaching. People charge thousands of dollars for what I'm teaching right here. However, I'm here to teach it for a very low price because I want to do funding opportunities with my personal capital in the future. If you want to pay with crypto or PayPal, email me right there and I will reply to you. As you can see, here are some Discord testimonials. We have an amazing community of traders. 90% of the time, 90% of them already profitable, have seen profits, have seen many nice gains when trading in these markets right here. And as you can see, absolutely incredible results. I don't have to say much for myself. The mentorship speaks for itself really. And here are some funded challenges which I've passed. Here's some student results right here. I got a little payout of 21,000 if you saw that before. And if you want to check more results, link in the description below. I don't really have to say much. The mentorship literally speaks for themselves. Link in the description below if you want to actually check some more results. Here's a little payout of 21,000 GP. I got a way bigger payout than this before. But anyway, that's it for that. Let's get straight into the second example. So this is the second example right here. Do the exact same thing, okay? First off, go on the 5-minute time frame. Is the line red or is the line green? Okay, the line's green. That means we should enter buys and not sells. We go down to the 1 hour time frame. Then we wait for our trading times to commence. So from here, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Now let's wait for 1 hour candle to take out liquidity. As you can see, this 1 hour candle actually takes out this liquidity right here, that low. And then we can go down to the lower time frame, and then as soon as we go down to the lower time frame, go down to the 1 minute, and then bang, wait for a bullish engulfment candle to happen. So bullish engulfment candle hasn't happened yet. As soon as price took out this liquidity, so let's just wait for that. And as you can see, this green candle actually bullish engulfs this black candle before it, and stop loss below the low, 5 pips minimum. And then where we're going to target, we can target right over here. You might say, well, whoa, this is a too small RR. Okay, then if it's too small for you, just go for a 1 to 2. I'm not going to lie to you guys and tell you 1 to 100 or 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 even, okay? Or even 1 to 7 or 8. Literally, this is very reasonable. 1 to 5, I mean, most of the times it might not actually touch your take profit. But literally, if you do what I've told you to do, target the golden line, it's a very high probability, okay? And as you can see, this one ends up taking profit right there, okay? And that's it from me, everyone, okay? So hopefully you learned something from this video. If you want to join the mentorship, link in the description below. Do not miss out on the offer price. If you want to get your funded guaranteed under 30 days, or you get your money back plus what you paid for the funded challenge, link in the description below. This will surely change your life. And again, join the mentorship today, or you will miss out, and your friends will become profitable, and you will, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed. Follow my Instagram at bills_smc or bills10x. And that's it from me, everyone. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.